Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and drain and fill the coolant on your Hyundai Elantra. Stay tuned. We got a lot of missing clips. Alright, here it is. Open this up. We're gonna let this thing drain.
A few moments later.
Alright, I think she is done. I'm gonna open all the way up. I'm just gonna let it drip for a few more minutes. Alright, so she is finally done dripping. Let's go ahead and tighten this. Clean it. We good?
Yeah.
There's more here?
Thought I left one in. Yeah, left one in.
Okay.
Then I should have left the top one in.
Oh, one more. Oh, no, it's just... There we go.
All right.
You got it, bud?
Yeah, I got
Oh, you're a strong man.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Underneath it to see the hitch.
All right, so this one is electric water pump. We can actually turn the water pump on using the scanner. Oh, I gotta log in. All right, guys, so I'm all hooked up, and let's go to software management and look for engine coolant filling mode right here. All right, so we're here now. The engine is idling, the temperature is below, and the status of the heater is off. Let's press run. Okay, and it's gonna take at least, last time I did it, it's a different car, but it took at least 10 minutes. Let's see here. All right, so the condition is transmission is in park, the engine is idling, the temperature is supposed to be 165 degree or over. Where we at? We are only 140. Let's go ahead and rev it up a little bit until we reach the 167. We are 144 right now. What the fuck? Dude, you got me so bad. Oh my goodness. No.
Let it die up down and just starts to feel. Oh, jeez.
I
You don't want to get down.
Oh my goodness, man. That was so good. And I'm like, hold on a second, is that mine? Shut it off. Oh shit, it's gone. Turn back on. Holy shit, what happened? And I saw you down there. Oh my goodness.
I wasn't going to keep it going, but I was laughing too hard to get out of it.
All right, so it's 162 now. 64. Okay, now we have reached 167 degree temperature. Press OK and press OK button. Oh, I forgot the parking brake. Oops, forgot the parking brake. Uh-oh, what did I do now? I forgot the e-brake. It's not gonna let you if the e-brake is not engaged. Oh my goodness, come on, man. Okay, so I'm still 100. Oh, I'm 173 now, so press OK. All right, here we go. So it says engine coolant temperature has entered into the coolant filling mode. All right, so now the thermostat is open and burping the coolant system. Alright guys, so it is completed now. Press OK, and then we are done. Yep, and that's how you properly bleed the coolant on this system with the electric water pump. If you don't have the scanner, you can always get something like this. Cooling system refiller. I got this one from Matco, and honestly guys, this one's a lot faster. But I just wanted to show you guys how this thing done with the computer. But next time I'm gonna show you guys how to use one of this. All right, just go ahead and shut the engine off.
I spent 2 hours trying to find a bunch of hours at the front end. They're either going to go up there later or I missed the point for you.
Oops. Hopefully I'm not gonna spill it. I need to buy a new funnel. Please don't spill. Alright. There we go. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take it for a test drive, and we are done. All right, this one is still dry. We are good. Alright guys, so this is going to be my final stop. I've been driving around for about 4 miles now, and my coolant temperature is good. And I got warm air coming out on that vent. So yeah, I'm good to go guys. Thank you guys for watching. You have a great day. Bye.